Good morning, this is Dan from Black Lotus. Today I got such a wonderful recipe for you. It's a simple broccoli soup. It can accompany anything you put on the table. It can be made vegan or vegetarian. Just leave out an ingredient or two or exchange it for something even more delicious. Let's get on making this wonderful recipe right now.
We will need 1 head of broccoli, 2 garlic cloves, 1 yellow onion, 2 optional chicken bouillon cubes, optional ricotta cheese, extra virgin olive oil, fresh ground black pepper, and sea salt. The first thing we're going to do is cut off the stem, break the broccoli into flowerets of equal size, and put it into a bowl. So for a yellow onion, we cut off the ends, cut a little slit down the side, we cut vertical slits down one side of the onion, and then cut horizontally. Now we take our garlic, we cut off the ends, remove the skin, we cut vertically, and then cut horizontally. We're going to add a pot of water onto the stove. This is where you put your bouillon in. If you don't want bouillon, you can just salt the water. To maintain the best color of broccoli, the water has to be rapidly boiling. We put the broccoli in, all of it in, and cover with a lid. In a frying pan, we put a little bit of olive oil, our onion, and we lightly saute until it's translucent. And once the onion is sauteed perfectly, it should look like that, translucent. We add the garlic, and we just saute till it's aromatic, about like 30 seconds. Now, the broccoli is ready when we can run a knife right through it without very much pressure, so this is perfect. So in a blender, we're going to use a slotted ladle to remove the broccoli without any of the broth first. And then we're going to add our garlic and onions. So now we're going to add a little bit of liquid. 1, 2, and 3, 2. In our handy dandy Vitamix, we're going to blend smooth and then reduce speed. We can now take off the lid and we're going to temper the consistency. So add a little more broth. How much broth you use is up to you. This is about what I like. Get out your bowl, and I'm adding 3 cornels of ricotta cheese. Now we just pour in our soup, nice and gently around. Give the bowl a little shake to even it out. Drizzle on our olive oil. Add some fresh ground black pepper. And there you have it, our broccoli soup with ricotta cheese.
What? A rubber ducky joined the fire brigade? My dear rubber ducky, you are a scoundrel. Why, hello. I did not see you there. For more information on health, fitness, and wellness, please visit my website at www.black-lotus.co. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you and good night.